Many people ask what is the difference between automation and AI agent. So let's try to understand the difference between automation versus AI agent. So let's understand that with the help of example. Suppose I have a bakery shop, and in my bakery shop I sell two things, let's say cake and another one is the pizza. So these are the two items I sell, okay, in my bakery shop. So what I do is that online, okay, on my website I created a form that help the users to place order in my website, okay, online. So what users need to do is to that they have to put their name, then they have to put their address where they want to deliver the order, and the order details like what they want, pizza, okay, and they can provide the pizza details like what type of a pizza they want, extra cheese, non-veg pizza or veg pizza. So all such details have to be provided here in the order. And then what will going to happen, the automation will going to happen. So we will set a rule that whenever the order will be placed, so that order place will be sent to the shop. So this is the automation we have set. Let's try to understand it. For example, I will take two scenarios. One will be the automation here and another one will be the AI agent, so that we can understand the difference between both of them. So in automation, what will going to happen, it will going to repeat the tasks on the rules. So whatever rules we have set, so what rules we have said, that once the order placed will be sent to the shop. So that is the automation. So what will going to happen, let's say this person, he will put his name, address, and in the order he will say, hey, I need pizza with extra cheese and blah blah blah. He will going to put all the order details, and once he sent or placed the order, so what automation will going to do, this order will be taken online, okay, through the automation to the manager of the bakery shop. Then the manager will receive the order and he will send it to the pizza department, because this particular example is related to pizza, where this person has ordered a pizza, okay. So so automation will take this order to the manager and the manager will receive the order, and he will see that okay, this order is related to pizza. He will manually check it, and then it will send to pizza department, okay, to deliver the order. Similarly, in the second case, this is a girl. She will put, her name, her address, and what order she want, like she needs a cake fully veg, okay, and name written on the cake is Maya. So all the order details it will she will going to fill. And once she placed the order, through the automation, this will go to the manager. He will receive the order and then he will think that okay, this is something related to cake, so he will send this to cake department, okay. So this is how, okay, the automation will work. So automation will going to just repeat the tasks on rules. So the automation, okay, or I can say the rule is said that once the order is placed through the form, it will go to the bakery shop. So the manager, basically the manager will going to see the message. So this is the simple automation which is set, okay. Now let's see with the AI agent. So now we have thought about automation. Now let's compare that with the AI agent. Now in case of AI agent, what happens is that AI agent already have the automation system, plus it also has the AI agent which is LLM plus tools. So you remember the robot we have kept. So this AI agent has the capability of brain, okay, brain like human has the brain. This person is thinking that this order is related to pizza. He will think and then he will send manually to the pizza department. In the second case, again, in the automation case, the manager, he also has a brain. So he will think for this order, and when he will find that this order is something related to cake, so it will be sent to the cake department. But this time what will going to happen, everything will be automated. That means the automation will work like this. The this person will place the order through automation. Now instead of human, like last time we have a human, but this time we will going to have a robot, because this robot, which is a AI agent, he has the power of LLM plus tools. So you remember, LLM means a brain, and tools means some legs and hands. So this AI agent already has the brain and tools. So what will going to happen, all the all the messages, whether it's a pizza related, cheese pizza related, cake related, all this order place will automatically go to this particular robot. Now what this robot will going to do, through this automation message which he has received, now AI agent will understand, because he has a brain like human. He will understand the order, like which order it is it related to pizza or related to cake. So now AI agent will understand the order, and on that basis it will automatically, now focus here, automatically it will send it to the relevant department. Okay, so automatically you can see, through the automation, automatically it will send to the pizza department, and automatically it will be sent to the cake department. Also, when the order was placed, so through the automation, the AI agent received the order, and through the automation also, in this case, the AI agent received the order, and automatically after understanding, because he has a brain, and remember he has a tools, hands and legs, so it will automatically understand it, and automatically the AI agent will send it to a particular department. So everything is automated. But in the case of automation, what was happening, it was just working on the basis of rules. Okay, so you will going to get the form, user will place the order, and through the automation it will receive to the individual. Now this individual will manually going to work, but right now here again, through automation, the message will go to robot, and this is a robot, not a human, right? So here it will going to work 24 by 7. But in case of a person, what will going to happen, he can work for a particular hours, okay, and you will also going to pay them salary, okay, to do these tasks. But in the case of AI, he can work 24 by 7, okay, and he don't need any type of a salary and all, okay, with just very affordable, very cheap, okay, way, he can do the complete tasks for you. He can receive the orders through automation, and automatically with his brain he will understand it, and on that basis it will automatically send the through automation to the particular department. So what you have to understand is that AI agent already have the capability of automation inside it, okay, plus he will also going to have the capacity or capability of a brain, and hands and legs, which are tools, which we totally sum up and say AI agent. Okay, so AI agent will already going to have all the AI agent capabilities plus the automation capabilities. So now hope you guys have understood the concept behind the difference between the automation versus AI agent. So automation is simply going to work on rules. Whatever rules you will set, it will going to repeat that same tasks again and again. So new people will come, they will place the order, and through the automation we have set the rule that the order will go to the shop. So that rule it will follow, and the automation cannot go beyond the rule. So whatever rules we have set, it has to follow that rule, and it has to be within the rules. But when it, in the case of AI agent, automation will going to happen, that is something very easy, okay, but as a additional, he will also going to have the AI agent capabilities like brain and tools, LLM plus tools, remember. So this will make, or this makes the AI agent more powerful as compared to automation plus it will going to have all the AI agent capabilities. So that's the difference between automations versus AI agents. So I just try to explain you with the concept of simply with the concept of uh, this example, but hope you guys have got the little bit idea about the difference between automation versus AI agent. Hey guys, so we have also provided the complete free course of AI agent in our website. So just search for KuKu courses in browser, go to kukucourses.com, uh, go to courses, click on free courses here and just search here for AI agent. Okay, and then you will going to see this free course. Click on this free course and you will see, once you click on the start course button, here we are going to add all the parts. Here you can see welcome to this AI agent course. Then part 1 is about, just click here to learn concepts of AI agent, and in future we will going to add more and more parts. Okay, so you can always come, totally free course. If you love it, you can always share this course with others as well. Okay, and I will also going to attach the link for my NA10 masterclass for AI agent full course. It's complete 12 hours course. If you are interested, you can also check this out. I will going to attach the link below. You can even purchase it at a one time single course. Okay, just for this course you can pay, or you can buy our membership, 20 years per plan or lifetime deal. Okay, so this membership will going to include the AI agent course plus other courses in our website. So that's totally up to you. I will attach the link below for this course. Okay,